From the heart of India to the cultural capitals of the world, fragrance met faith in a journey that united art, devotion, and diplomacy. This is the Shri Krishna Leela Samarpan, a global movement that transformed India's ancient wisdom into a living fragrance of peace and humanity. The first Samarpan began in New Delhi as a sacred celebration of India's cultural ethos. Honorable Union Minister Gajendra Singh Shekhawat, Meenakshi Lekhi, and Durga Shankar Mishra graced the occasion, blessing the vision of Ramalaya and Prabhu Sri Ram. It was here that the fragrance of faith was born, blending Ayurveda, Bhakti, and art into one soulful offering. This collection is not just about incense, it is about consciousness, about reviving India's timeless dialogue with the world. The Samarpan journey began as a pilgrimage that carried the fragrance of Lord Krishna's Leelas beyond borders. At the Nehru Centre, London, under the aegis of the Embassy of India, the Samarpan entered a new realm where ancient Indian storytelling met modern sensibilities. Artists, diplomats, and cultural enthusiasts gathered to experience how devotion can travel through aroma. The Shri Krishna Leela collection, from Makhanchor to Dwarkadhish, enchanted audiences with its message of love, joy, and divine playfulness. It feels like India's soul has come alive through fragrance and audience. Member. In Paris, the City of Light turned into a sanctuary of bhakti. Under the aegis of the Permanent Delegation of India to UNESCO, the International Samarpan was led by Ambassador Vishal V. Sharma, supported by Dr. Amit Kumar Pandey, Sabita Pandey, and Tarun Kalwani. Diplomats, artists, and the Indian diaspora came together in an atmosphere filled with reverence and pride. It is India's fragrance of faith that carries peace across borders. Ambassador Vishal V. Sharma through each offering, India. The journey reached its culmination in Copenhagen, where fragrance met faith once more at Asia House, in the presence of Ambassador Manish Prabhat, Brit Kim, Ruchi Narayan, and Prashant Kumar. The Shri Krishna Leela collection was presented as a tribute to Ayurveda, Bhakti, and India's cultural diplomacy. The air filled with sacred aroma as scholars and artists shared reflections on wellness, devotion, and consciousness, creating a bridge between Ayurveda and humanity. Every Leela is a message, a reminder that fragrance can heal, connect, and inspire the world. From India to London, from Paris to Copenhagen, adorned with exquisite Patchitra art from Odisha, a tradition over 1,000 years old, and intricate gold foiling, the collection celebrates the divine tales of Krishna with grace. Fragrance is faith, faith is humanity. Shri Krishna Leela, a global Samarpan by Ramalaya JPSR Prabhu Sri Ram. India's message of Vasudev Kutumbakam, meaning the world is one family, resonated deeply.